Palmer Park. There we go. We take it up. Now, this is the very first time I've ever flown a drone, so don't be really negative with me, because I know most of my movement is going to be way too fast. But I've watched a whole lot of YouTube videos on people making this happen, so I'm pretty confident that I can turn it, go up, go down, land it, all that sort of stuff. Now I'm just in P mode. Now there's a sport mode, which everything goes really, really fast, and a cinematic mode, which makes everything super cool and slow. But for now, let's just see. There we go. We go forward. Oh, and we stop. All you got to do is just kind of let go and whoa, way too fast. Yeah, I know. But you know what? I'm getting there. There, a lot slower. Okay, don't go through the trees, Greg. Yeah, now everybody says don't go through the trees, especially when you're first learning. When you're like an expert, you can zoom through them and stuff, I suppose. Okay, backwards, forwards, left and right. Ooh, a little left and right and forward, and there we are. Okay, we're not running away from anything yet. While we're moving, I'm twisting. Okay, so I'm doing two things at once. I'm not really that coordinated generally, but I'm doing okay. Yeah, once again, way too fast here, but okay. Let me see. Let's take it down. Can we hit ourselves? Nope. Nope. Stop it. Here we come. Nope. Okay. All right. Don't look excited, area. Whatever you do. Hey, hi. All right. Yeah, I got my fisherman hat on, so I look like I belong in the desert someplace. I think I'm going to try and land now. Okay. Let's see if we can land. Yep. Well, let's turn it off. All right, we moved to a different spot, and now we're going to see if we can't fly it around just a little bit, at least not on flat ground. So let's see if I can navigate around knobs and hills and other things. Let's wave high. All right. All right, let's move side by side. Sashay right, sashay right. There we go. Now, another thing they said is that a lot of first-time drone flyers get way too close to things, and as you can see, I'm kind of too close to the rock here because it kind of takes up the whole picture, but I'm trying to stay away. The sun is behind us, and I just want to get used to moving this thing at the speed I want to when we actually start inserting some drone video into our travel videos, etc. Now this is a DJI Mini Mavic, so it doesn't have the little track me features, which is kind of a bummer, but you know what? For right now, just fine. This is a really, really small drone, as you saw in the opening sequence. 249 grams. And yeah, look, that gimbal, there's a gimbal on the phone, or not the phone, on the camera. So there I am, and a couple of young boys were like, "That is a dope drone, man!" And I was like, "Yeah, that's kind of cool." Okay, so they're trying to climb on up, and let's see if I can follow them just a little bit here. Move the camera back up to its 90-degree position instead of looking down, and yeah, so once again, still in Palmer Park, Colorado Springs, looking around a little bit, rotating. Now, once again, here I am. I'm kind of looking at the sun here, so the video is not as great here, but still not too bad. Okay, don't hit the tree, Greg. Whatever you do, don't hit the tree. Okay, let's see. And up we go. Up we go. This is just learning a little bit. And oh, hey, I'm trying to track some people here. Let's see how well I do. I kind of go on over them. Oh, nope, didn't hit the tree. Let's move up a little bit. Now, Erie wanted me to see if I could see the mountains. So she wanted me to go up really, really high because the mountains are over that ridge right there. And it looks like, yeah, you can start seeing Pikes Peak and Maugre and Cheyenne Mountain to the left over there. So that's not bad. Hey, there I am. All right. Let's, oh, that was kind of interesting. Yeah, once again, too fast, but I'm learning. It'll get better. Okay, here I am, way up high now. We set that sucker to go up pretty darn high this time, and we can see the mountains. Now, one of the reasons why you can't see the mountains as well as normal is because of all of the smoke from all of the wildfires out west. I don't know if this is Colorado smoke, Washington, Oregon, or California smoke, whatever, but it sure has made looking at the mountains this last month or so kind of tough, and you can just see everything out here. I suppose here at Palmer Park we're about maybe a little bit north of Central, north and south on in Colorado Springs. But this is a fantastic place where lots of people like to go, and it looks like I'm using that gimbal a little bit more here, bringing things on down. Okay, you can see me over on the right-hand side, kind of watching things, and I'm going down behind some trees now. Couldn't really see where I was, where the drone was, but I just kind of trusted that it was there. Oh, you can see I'm stopping things just a little bit, and those blades get in, and whoosh, here I am. Hey, hi, everybody. Okay, now let's see if we can go bug area a little bit over here. Oops, down, gimbal down, gimbal down. Am I going to gimbal down? Yeah, there we go. Okay, rotate, gimbal down, rotate. Okay, now I'm rotating to the left. Come back on over, and yep, that's what I'm going to land on. So I think I'm going to try and see if I can land on my hand, but truth be told, that just didn't work real well. Well, hey, thanks so much for watching me play around with my Mini Mavic drone for the very first time. It was kind of fun, and hopefully we'll be able to bring you some fantastic scenery with this thing, especially once the smoke leaves. All right, thanks everybody. Bye-bye.